In this video, you will learn how to find your referral code in GoTyme. Open the GoTyme app, then log in. Launch the GoTyme mobile app and sign in with your account credentials. Access the menu or profile section. Tap on the menu icon, usually the 3 lines or an avatar, then go to the profile or dashboard screen. Find Refer or Invite Friends or Referral option. Within the menu or profile, look for a button or section labelled Refer, Invite Friends Referral, or Earn Rewards. Open the Referral section. Tap on Referral or Invite option. Open. This is where the referral codes or link is displayed. Copy and share your code. On the referral page, your unique referral code or link will be shown. You can tap or copy it and save it, then share it directly via SMS, social media or messaging apps. Use or distribute the code. Share the code with others and enter it with yourself, opening the new GoTyme account. So both parties can earn referral rewards. Now you know how to find your referral code in GoTyme. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.